So today we're again working on weight and we're working on page 146 of your Mathemagic book. The important thing to remember is that there are 1000 grams in a kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 1 over 1000, and remember that goes 3 places to the right on the decimal place. So it looks like that when it's done in a decimal place. And that's what 1 gram is equal to. 1 gram is very, very small, and like it says there, a feather weighs about 1 gram. So what we're going to do is number 1, number 2, number 3, A as far as F, and then number 4, all of it, okay? So the first one is writing as grams. So 2 grams is equal to how much of a kilogram? Now we're going to have to write that as a decimal place like here. So you've got 0.001 kilogram is what 1 gram is equal to. So 2 grams must be 0.002 kilogram. Similarly here, 4 grams. So we know that there's 1000 grams in a kilogram. So when we're working with something as small as grams, it's out of 1000. So we're going to go 0. There's 0 tenths, there's 0 hundredths, 1 over 10, 1 over 100ths, but there is an 1000th, and that's 4. And when we're writing it in kilograms, we put kilograms in at the end. Similarly, for 6 grams, 6 grams is equal to 6 over 1000, 6 out of 1000 grams. So we know when we're doing the decimal place that we write it. We write the tenths there, so there's no tenths. We write the hundredths there, there's no hundredths, and we write the thousandths there, and there you go. 0.006 kilograms. Now, you're doing it the other way around, writing as grams when you've got a decimal place and you've got the kilos. So, similarly, you go backwards. So that 2 there is in the thousandths place. So it's 2 over 1000. And we know that when we're talking of out of thousandths, that's the grams. So it will be 2 grams. The 5 is 5 out of 1000. So we know that we're already there. We're working out of 1000. So it'll be 5 grams. The next one is 7 out of 1000. Out of 1000 means we're already at grams. So it's 7 grams. And 9 is 9 out of 1000. So we've got 9 grams. Here's another one that we can work out. 0.004 kilograms is equal to 4 over 1000 grams, which is equal to, there's no whole number, there's no tenths, there's no hundredths, but there is thousandths, there's 4 of them, and there is your answer when we're writing as grams, not kilograms. Similarly here, 6 is in the thousandths place because we've got tenths, we've got hundredths, and we've got thousandths. So it's 6 over 1000 grams is equal to 0. No tenths, no hundredths, and 6 grams. And that's a number 2 where we're changing kilograms into grams. Number 3, we're only going to do A, B, C, D, E, F. Do not do G or H. Now it says to write as kilograms. So in this case, we've got 13. Instead of 3 grams, we've got 13. So like it shows you here, for 11 is equal to 10 grams plus 1 gram. That means 1 over 100 plus 1 over 1000. So there's 0 units, there's 0 tenths, there's 1 100th, and there's 1 1000th. Okay? So for 13, there will be, just like here, 0 units. There isn't a full kilogram in it. there isn't a tenth, but there is an 100th, and there is a 1000th. So it's 0.013. Let's do one here, worked out. So here's an example. 14 kilograms is equal to 10 grams plus 4 grams. That means there's 1/100th, there's 4 1,000ths, and it gives you 0.014. 37 grams is the same. You're going to get it. It's going to be 3 grams. Sorry, 30 grams plus 7 grams, because it's 37, is equal to 3 over 100 kg plus 7 over 1,000 kg. So is equal to 0 units, 0 tenths, 3 100ths, and 7 1,000ths. And that will give you your decimal place kilograms. Okay. Now for question number 4, it tells you to write as grams. So similarly, what you're going to do is you're going to work it backwards, and the example is given up here. So when you've got something like it gives you 0.011 kilograms, there's 1 100th, there's 1 1,000th, it's 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So writing as grams, that'll give you 12 grams because you're in the thousandths place, and there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. 24 grams, 78 grams, 96 grams. There's a whole number here, so it's 2,034 grams. There's a whole number here, it's 3,076 grams. There's a whole number here, so it's 4,097 grams, and it's 6,084 grams. So here's some examples. 0.015 kilograms. You're in the 1,000th space, so it's out of a thousandths. So in this case, you've got 15 grams. In this case, you've got 81 grams. And in this case, there's a whole number, so there's something, there's already, it's going to be 7,031 grams. Okay, I hope that helps.